Welcome to your AutoDN Microneedling Pen setup guide. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to unbox, assemble, and use your device like a pro. Here's what's inside your kit: the AutoDN Pen, a USB charging cable, wall adapter and plug converter, and a microneedle cartridge. To set up your device, take a fresh microneedle tip. Now look closely. There's a small dot on the pen and a U-shaped line on the cartridge. Line them up and push the cartridge in gently, and then twist it clockwise until it locks into place. Use the dial on the top of the pen to adjust your needle depth. If this is your first time microneedling, we recommend starting with a shallow setting. To turn on your AutoDN pen, hold the power button for 2 seconds. Tap the button again to switch between speed levels. Start low and increase only if you feel comfortable. The AutoDN Pen features 5 adjustable speed settings, so you can customize the intensity based on your comfort level and the area you're treating. Tap the power button to cycle through the speeds. Start low and increase as needed. To open the Maxilize PDRN vial, just follow the arrows printed on the cap. Snap the top off in the same direction the arrows are pointing. It should open cleanly. Then, take the included dropper and gently press onto the top of the vial until it's secure. Now you're ready to dispense the product safely and easily. Now you're ready to go. Work in small sections like your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Gently glide the pen across your skin in vertical, horizontal, and diagonal motions. Let the pen do the work. No need to press down hard. After your session, apply a hydrating serum or calming mask. Avoid makeup, direct sun, and exfoliants for at least 24 to 48 hours while your skin heals.